Alright, okay, this is me playing Forest. I just fell on a helicopter, and I wish everyone to fall on a helicopter like this, IRL. Oh, not like that, actually. Not like Fisheye. Fisheye, oh, Fisheye wasn't very lucky. Alright, I have a knife, so hopefully it falls very nicely on my head. And so here's the breakdown. My friends are here, but that's not my friend. Some very sexy dude found me first. Looks like that actor. Not very nice. Nice jacket though. Okay. But he didn't kill me, so maybe he likes me. Alright, open emergency only. You gotta turn up your mic. I can barely hear you. Oh, wait, let me turn down the game a little bit.
Hello?
Yeah.
Is that louder or is that
Wait.
I can't tell.
I'm gonna make it say something?
Hello?
Yeah, okay, I can hear you now. I just made the game quieter. Alright.
Yeah, it's very loud.
Okay, so my friend is in game already. I don't know why I talk like this. Russian. I am not Russian. Or maybe I am. Oh shit. Okay, helicopter. Helicopter.
Do you think that one guy is like fighting in the Ukrainian war on Russia's side? The one guy that we always call Ukrainian?
What? That guy was fucking. Wasn't he like from Taiwan or something, and he lived in Canada?
Yeah, maybe he wants to support the cause.
He was like, I hope he thought I was Ukrainian, and he's like, I hope you have a genocide, and then like it actually happened. It's scary. I'm scared of that guy. I'm scared. Okay, I found 2 SJ1s. Okay.
Those are important. I'm coming to go meet you there.
My friends are already in the game because I'm a hacker, obviously. And okay, graphic I rate is good. There's rocks. I can only pick up the small rocks to throw, but the big rocks I can put.
Don't throw the small rocks. You need those for arrows.
I can't throw. Not throw. I can.
So
Oh.
your inventory is gonna be the most important thing.
Oh shit.
You don't want to keybind it to like a side button on your mouse.
Side button on the mouse. Okay, you see, I already have
it's
hacker.
right now, but keybind it. Cause
Okay, keybind
like
controls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, let's go to graphics. Graphics is ultra.
Yeah, make sure it's on ultra. It's nice.
Ultra high on ultra high. This is a guide on the graphics, so this is the optimal. If you want the best graphics, you put everything on ultra. Life hack. Okay. Alright, inventory is on R, or that's reload.
Yeah, you want to
reload? Inventory. I want it on the mouse button, so.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like if you were to switch to something, you can't keybind it like 1, 2, 3.
GPS tracker.
That's M. That's a good.
I'm gonna put it on the other mouse button. That's it. Okay, now let's see. GPS tracker doesn't work. Oh shit. Okay. Inventory just opened. Add items to the mat to open or combine them. Okay, I'm familiar with. If anybody is not familiar, you just add things. You craft. It's a crafting game. Very cool. Very okay. Wow, the rabbits are back. The deers are back, and I'm so happy to be with my friend here, who's coming to get me.
Hey,
oh my God! I summoned him. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's Spearson. Mr. Spearson. You kind of look like the guy who hit me with the pistol. Huh, is there time travel in this game? Spoiler alert, maybe I hit myself. From the future. Okay. Anyways, I'm getting a call from my mom. 1 second. Okay. My mom called me because she. Okay, where are you? I lost. Okay. Oh my God. My friend Spearson. My friend Spearson is here. Oh my God. Look at his armor. He is already a god in this game. This is gonna be the most amazing video I've never made. Anything other than CS:GO and Tarkov and Hearthstone and PUBG. So this is gonna be amazing.
Alright, so just like you see these boxes, you're just.
Oh my God! Look at this! Wow, I'm eating. I love gaming.
Here's one of these things that'll have like ammo. Make sure you grab that. I think it's the one. I'm low on ammo for my pistol. I think I only have like 10 shots left. I can't check.
It's okay. All you need is one, and then you just headshot 5 enemies with 1 shot. Haven't you seen the movies?
It's a one tap, even with the bow and arrow.
I just found a grenade. Watch out! Watch out! Danger, danger!
There's like giants in this game. Like you headshot them like 10 times, they won't die.
How do I switch from the grenade? I don't feel comfortable holding this.
Just press G.
What if I click and I unplug the ring? Can I plug it back in or no?
No, I don't know.
If I do this.
Throw it at that deer over there.
Okay, perfect. Let's do it. He's calm and chilling. We need to ruin his day right now. Wait. He's okay. Okay, he's in the water. Oh.
He has a little bit of bug.
What? Yo, the fish are. We got the fish.
Oh, did you kill fish? Oh my God.
Perfect. And I eat the fish. Sushi. Let's go.
Eat it raw. No, you can't. It's good.
Sushi.
Alright, let's take you to
Perfect. Let's go.
I haven't been in this cave.
I feel energized and I love grenades. The animation needs some work for the grenades, but wait. I don't know if I looted everything here. Let's see. Okay, this is looted.
Have you been into your crafting menu yet?
I've been in it for 1 single second.
Yeah, so you have to look around for your stuff. And also
on top of this?
Yeah. So anytime you craft something, there's a crafting animation.
Yeah, I haven't crafted anything. I think I checked these boxes. Okay, they're not movable.
I can give you some stuff actually here.
That's hacks. That's hacks. I don't want to. No.
Spear.
Don't give me
it's
anything.
Literally a wooden spear.
Don't give me anything. I don't want.
Have it.
No, I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want charity. Okay. Can I hit my friend? No. I can hit you. Okay, I'm not gonna do that because I'm a nice person. Where am I? Okay. We gotta do something exciting. Okay, not die. No. Alright, okay, there's a... Oh! No, I don't open it like that.
Loot these things real quick.
Wait, how do we open this box?
It might be bugged. Hold E.
Yeah, it's bugged. Oh shit, I just... Sorry.
Nice fine wine over here.
It is bugged. Where? Let's go.
Aged wine.
I can't take it. I can't pick it up. Why? Oh, there we go. I got it.
Did you open up your emergency thing yet? Your emergency packet?
No.
Alright, so go into your thing.
Add items. Okay. And open. Okay, yeah. Click on the gear to open the emergency pack. Okay.
Yeah,
oh, wow. Look at this beautiful emergency pack. They worked on that. Okay, we got the phone. Hello, Moto. Alright, I got the rock and the phone. It's already hacks.
Don't use the rock.
Alright.
Switch to your axe. So the way you pop switch in this game.
Oh, yeah.
That's the thing like your craft.
Alright. Tactical. Okay, watch out. Watch out.
Did you pull out your thing? Your
Those deers need to watch out. Yeah. Okay, crafting. I got crafting.
Right,
Let's go.
Important.
Important.
Look up. You see your backpack? It's like right next to that black box.
Yeah, I see it. Add items.
Right, add items. So it'll have like a bunch of stuff.
Rock.
This is like your pot swap. So you might want to like get rid of some of the useless.
Aha, remove the stuff. Okay, I got it. Wow, I didn't know that you could do. Oh wow.
Stop doing that.
I love this game.
Alright, you're good now.
Okay, I love life. Thank you for making this.
Did you put the axe on it?
On what?
On your backpack?
It's always been on.
In there. Oh, it's already on there?
Yeah.
Hold your crafting button.
Hold my crafting button? What? Take this rock? Wait, what is this?
Hold your quick spot. Hold your...
How do I...
Hold your button.
How do...
Hold your crafting button.
What is the... Okay, hold it. Okay, I'm holding it.
It'll pull it out. That's how you quick swap.
Oh, wow. Okay, wow. Okay.
Right, hold your light out by pressing L and we'll head down.
Pressing L? Oh, lighter. Hacks.
I literally just found a flashlight. We can go get it. We have a little bit. Cool.
Let's go. Flashlight. I love it. Okay. Oh, okay. And, fucking look creepy as hell. Alright, okay. We're in the cave right away. This is what, oh! I ate the meat, and I'm gonna die now.
No, you're good. You can eat raw meat.
How do I... Why can't I just... not eat it? Okay, oh, watches to make bombs. We know that. Okay.
You hold.
Yeah, I got it. I understood. I figured it out. So hold is to consume or use. Oh, look, there's flashlights in the caves. So somebody's been here. They put up a flashlight.
Also a dead body.
Oh, that's not a good sign, is it? Hold the lighter out. Okay.
Press L. It would just keep it out.
Oh wow, purple. We're in a club now.
A lot of stuff.
You see us in the club. I can't.
We're looking for a lab, and we can 3D print.
We're looking to get killed probably by.
There's a 3D printer that we can use to craft like a mask, and it will scare off
Alright, I need to make the game a little quieter, and then so I can hear you even louder. Okay. Okay. Now say something?
Say something.
Okay, that's better. It's a toolbox. Can we loot it and find some bolts?
This is what we're looking for. I
What?
haven't seen this before. Do you see a piece of paper? Like, pull out the piece of paper on this guy's hand.
Oh. I thought we're looking for these minerals on the wall. Look at that. Oh, this is what we're looking for. Oh, okay. Lol.
I guess it's gold or something. I died. Where's that noise? That is not
That's you just walked over the light. This is what we're looking for. Printed out email. Okay, these guys clearly can't open a picture and print it. They gotta print the entire email. Alright, no
Alright, so when you
GPS
put it
signal.
away, you just pull out your quick swap.
Quick
It
swap.
won't let you drop it like the
Got it. Alright. Alright. How do I...
And then we'll just-
Okay, okay.
You gotta hold your craft button. That's your quick swap.
Yeah,
And you just pull out
I
the
can't...
ammo.
Okay. Got it.
Ooh, shotgun ammo. Bunch of stuff over here.
So...
Meds as well. Oh my god, there's a cross.
Oh wow. Okay, so I think that's enough for the first video
Make sure you break that.
for YouTube.
laptop.
So I hope you guys enjoyed it.
That was like 0
Smash
contact.
that like button, or don't smash it, just gently click it if you want. Oh, and there's a video. Oh, wait, we almost finished the video. There we go. Now you can smash that like button.
Skin it. Grab your knife and skin him.
Alright. Okay, and this beautiful note, we end the video.